June 6th and 7th, the big days that we all have been talking about, preparing for and working towards are right in front of us. So IIT and NEST exams are just 4 days ahead. So after 4 days, you all will be sitting in your examination halls. The examination, the paper will be in front of you, and in those moments, none of the excuses will matter. The only thing that will matter are your efforts that you will put in those few hours, and they will decide your journey ahead. Right now, I know what is happening inside your head. The heart rate is a little faster, the mind is racing, and at the back of your head, the voice is asking only one question: am I really ready for this? First, take a deep breath, drop your shoulders. I am here to tell you that you are really ready. It's alright. Okay, so the time for worrying about the things that you didn't finish is officially over. Today we are going to focus on the massive amount of hard work that you have put in throughout the year. I want you to understand one very important thing about IIT and NEST exam. So these exams don't care about the formulas that you have wrote memorized a day before the exam or a night before the exam. So these exams test your scientific temperament. They test how you think under the pressure. Every single tough conceptual problem that we tackled in the class, every mistake that you made in the mock, and every time when you scratched your head trying to find out the answer, trying to understand a tough derivation, a tough formula, it wasn't just a mistake. It was you building your mental pressure for the exam. Your brain has recorded all these concepts. Trust your preparation. So when you are sitting in the exam and some tricky or tough or complex question pops up, don't panic. Trust your mind, it knows where to pull up the answer from. Trust the process that we have been a part of throughout the year. So now let's talk about the strategy for the big day. So these are the 3 rules that you can use to dominate the exam. So the first rule is to not be involved with the complex questions for 10 minutes. Go for the easier questions, build your confidence, and then move to the complex questions. The second rule is to read the questions carefully. IIT and NEST exams give subtle distinctions in the question, so a single not or incorrect can make a big change in the question, so stay sharp. The third and the most important rule is to get proper sleep. The best asset you have to tackle 6th and 7th June is a rested, sharp and agile mind, and that will happen only when you will give it proper rest. So you have to give proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep to your brain a night before the exam. If you want to know more information about the tips and tricks and rules to dominate your IIT and NEST exam, you can check these videos here. So now this day is very heavy for all of us as well. So as you guys close your journey as aspirants, so let's pause and take a look back at your journey first. So we at SciAstra started this batch with a dream, watching you grow from students who were unsure about advanced scientific concepts and in general unsure about life, into true scientific aspirants or science aspirants who were appreciating science, was the best part at SciAstra for all of us. You guys have shown incredible resilience and you have worked very hard, and I want you to remember one very crucial thing before you enter those doors of your exam on 6th and 7th of June. See, whatever happens on 6th and 7th of June, whatever are your results, a mere scorecard can't define your worth in your life. It can define a path, yes, but it can't define you. You entered SciAstra, you entered this batch as students. You are leaving as critical thinkers, as problem solvers, as fighters. That scientific aspirations, that scientific temperament that you have built throughout the journey. Is it all useless? No, it's worth it. So you already have won in your life, even if you are not able to crack this exam. So it does not define you. So my warriors, gear up, go out there, look the questions directly in the eye and tell the exam what you really are made up of. So walk in those doors with your head held high and give the exam with full confidence. So make full use of these 4 to 5 days, keep preparing hard, stay calm, and we at SciAstra, we really want to see you this time in your Dream Institute. So can you do it? You definitely will do it. All the best. Bye-bye.